I want to bring out the Merry Mirth Makers of Montreal, Bowser and Blue. They will instruct you in the IdeaCity song. And in addition, they will sing a ditty of their own. And here they are.
So great to see you.
This is 1B. Where is the other B?
He's fiddling around in the back.
There's the other B. B and B.
How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you.
Bowser and Blue.
We'd like to start off with a American folk music form, something called the blues.
Just a minute, Rick. I just have to find the...
Okay. Good, okay. I've heard it said that the blues is feeling good about feeling bad.
I thought the blues was feeling bad about feeling good.
No, George, that's Protestantism. Okay. I'm gonna play some now. Patrick, you ready? Okay.
Teenage kid downloads movies by the score. Can't seem to upload his clothes from the floor. I'm the older generation and he's from the next. When I want to get in touch with him, I have to send a text. That's progress. Young people got the power. He's gonna change the world if he ever gets out of the shower. That kid, he'll go far. I know he will, 'cause he took my car. I'm gonna hide the keys somewhere he'll never look. Gonna hide those keys in a book. That's progress. It can be scary. I can remember when a laptop was my secretary. I said, yeah, okay, but let me make a point. You got your gay marriage, you got your legal joints. Yeah, I'm talking, but I might as well be alone. All the time I'm speaking, he's staring at the phone. Just give me a minute. Are you sure you have that long? Sorry, it was a little slow on that. We got the social media. Our little world is shrinking. We got Facebook, so we know what the other old farts are thinking. We got selfies, so I can take a picture of me, which is the last frickin' thing that I want to see. But that's progress. But it's not all bad. I don't have to memorize anymore, because everything's on my iPad.
Okay, thanks a lot. Now we'd like to try something that involves audience participation. We'd like to do the IdeaCity song. We wrote this song quite a few years ago, and occasionally Moses has us back to perform it. And we'd like you to help us out now on the choruses. So the words will be displayed on the screen behind us, and let's see. We should teach you the choruses first, right? Okay.
Okay.
Let's go for this. It's called IdeaCity, and the choruses go like this.
IdeaCity is a place where ideas come face to face to inspire and give us hope. At this time, our planet needs it most.
Can we try it all together?
If it's a little low, you can sing it an octave higher.
You could do the octave, yeah.
So, IdeaCity is a place where ideas come face to face to inspire and give us hope. At this time, our planet needs it most. IdeaCity.
We're almost there, I think. Let's try it one more time.
This
George.
is supposed to be a sing-along.
It's a sing-along?
Some of these people are not singing.
No?
Take their names. I want to know who they were.
Well, there's a gentleman here who's going to help me out, right? in the
Okay,
front
this
row.
gentleman was singing.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, let's try one more time. I'm going to sing the harmony this time, so you'll have to sing louder so that the harmony doesn't appear to become the melody. 1, 2, 3. IdeaCity is a place where ideas come face to face to inspire and give us hope. At this time, our planet needs it most. IdeaCity.
God bless you, Curtis. Let's hear it for Curtis. Okay, now we'll do the whole song, and I'll cue you to come in on the choruses.
Ideas, they will come and they will go, and some ideas might take root and grow. All they need is somewhere to be heard, a place where people hang on every word. Ideas come with passion and with zeal, and some are virtual and others real. Ideas that all have so much to give. All they need is somewhere they can live. IdeaCity is a place where ideas come face to face to inspire and give us hope. At this time, our planet needs it most. IdeaCity. God said unto Moses, let's create a place for all ideas to congregate. That's the sort of thing you people do. poses you must lead the people to. Idea City is the place where ideas come face to face to inspire and give us hope. At this time our planet needs it most. Idea City.
This is the rap section in the middle.
Communicate veracity with loquacity and maximize your cranial capacity. Promote perpetual perspicacity. Get yourself a piece of IdeaCity. Celebrate the spirit of audacity. Create an atmosphere of vivacity. Seek out sagacity. Get yourself a piece of IdeaCity. IdeaCity is a place where ideas come face to face to inspire and give us hope. At this time our planet needs it most. IdeaCity is a place where ideas come face to face to inspire and give us hope. At this time our planet needs it most. IdeaCity is a place where ideas come face to face to inspire and give us hope. At this time our planet needs it most. IdeaCity.